bluntly, foregoing anything approaching diplomacy or respect for a title. Now they were merely men. "Do you intend to take her?" Brennan sighed. "She named you a good man, Jarek. She named you a fair man. I am not disposed to argue it," she sounded quite convinced. "But I am
On your
disposed to say I'm a
smartphone,
fool."
connect to a Wi-Fi
He took the
network
jug from
whose name
Zarek's
starts
rigid
with
hands and poured his
thinkware.
mug full. "I am not in the habit of taking women from other men, particularly if they are content where they are."
Sports, there's nowhere better than Bet Rivers Sportsbook and Rivers Casino Pittsburgh, where you can earn comps for bets. Place your bets in our sportsbook windows or self-service betting kiosks. Then cheer for your picks while enjoying food and a drink in our viewing area. Catch all the action live on our 50-foot video walls or one of our 86-inch TVs. Our Rivers Clean team will keep everything safe and clean so you can focus on the games. Bet Rivers Sportsbook and Rivers Casino Pittsburgh. See riverscasino.com. Sports betting rewards program. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER.
The KDKA radio text line is driven by the Kenny Ross Auto Group. Find 0% interest in Pittsburgh's best warranty at kennyross.com.
Hi, this is Larry.
Life has its rough moments.
Yeah. Can we hear, like, worst?
Yeah, what's your worst and what's your best pickup?
Also, you can
Let's
take your
see.
mask off.
Yeah, if you don't want to wear it.
I'm just
drunk as
gonna
shit,
do
I'm
it.
not going.
It's
That's
fine
fine
about
too.
y'all.
That's
I just
fine
gonna
too.
do it for.
Are you okay with that?
That's fine too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't personally care about the mask, but I do it as used about her. This walrus of a woman. Oh, she.
Walrus?
Yes.
I kind of like that term. Sorry.
But she was all mad because I wasn't gonna drop her off at the right location, and so the way it all. I take her over. Why did I? Yeah.
This is.
Let me actually pull
Oh,
in
this
here.
is actually really interesting.
I have never.
Are you gonna put our mask on?
No, you're fine.
Okay. Wow.
All right,
Okay.
Ted. Let's
We'll
see how
figure
you handle
out.
this. This is your tip, Ted.
That's funny.
Hey, no offense, Ted. This is all good. Thanks for bringing this up.
Hey, no problem.
Because we already got a DUI, right?
Yeah, exactly.
We're passing it. We don't want to give a shit.
Yep. Hello.
Hey, is you in the car?
No, I have two passengers back here.
You an Uber driver or?
I am a Lyft driver right now.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah,
I would roll the window down, but I don't know.
Reason for the stop was you're kind of bouncing in the bike lane a little bit there.
Oh.
You also kind of you stopped past the stop bar right there on Val Vista.
I didn't even realize I did.
Yeah, you're supposed to stop behind those two lines.
Oh, I am absolutely sorry about that. I didn't realize I did.
Yeah, so real quick, I'll just get your license real quick. Have you anything to drink?
No, I have not. I promise you. Oh, here's my actual license. Do you need my registration and insurance?
No, that's fine.
All right.
At a Glendale, huh?
Yeah. Out working.
Little
Now, mind you, he's a little intoxicated,
Oh,
which
fuck
is
that.
why they ordered
what we call
the
nervous.
lift.
Hey, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Where were you guys at today?
We're at
Whiskey/champ.
Whiskey Row.
Was Whiskey Row even open tonight?
It was open
No,
till
but
10, then we
Champs
did
was.
Champs, and then we called this guy.
How was Champs?
It was actually really
You know what's
fun.
bar?
Oh, no, it was fun.
Yeah,
It was fun.
it's a dive bar, it's dirty.
No,
I
my
would not
God,
go there
babe.
with your family.
You know what?
It was fun.
I love
But they
intoxicated
had, like,
people.
him.
Yeah.
I love intoxicated people for this reason.
Yeah. Here, I'll run this real quick and we'll get you on your way, alright?
All right.
Can
April
I have
1, 3,
this? This is
26
the
per
first
hour,
time I've been pulled over. 'Cause
In Gilbert, too.
It's first time I've been pulled over in Gilbert, so hey.
Can I go home?
How do you pronounce
What?
your last name?
Beer Temple.
Beer
God.
Temple.
Yeah,
Beer Temple.
100%.
This is a fucking bomb.
That is epic.
Are you Mormon?
10.
No, can I ask you? He's
Fucking stop.
you live in Gilbert.
Shut up.
Are you Mormon?
He said no.
No.
Can you stop?
Why?
Stop.
Because
I like this.
I don't care.
I love police officers. I work in.
I know you do, so stop.
Okay, just hang tight for me 1 second, alright?
okay.
You're not a felon, are you?
No.
Are we going to jail?
No.
It's not that big of a deal. Are you? Now?
I am about to roundhouse kick you in the face.
I'm okay with that.
I just, like,
I don't care if it's.
Hey, okay.
Yeah.
He said literally the reason why he stopped me is the bar. Leaving the bar, me engaging with you guys and
100%.
swerving a little bit.
He is trying to get out of the fact that he has no probable cause.
Yep. Well, he did have a probable cause
What's the
to,
probable cause?
because I was moving into a
He's
non-driving
gonna make
lane.
some shit up because you're leaving.
No. Well,
You know what, man? I respect you and I love you, and I'm glad you picked this up. And if I'd drove, I think I'd DUI.
oh yeah.
Thanks, bro.
But the whole thing is the moving into these bike lanes.
Yeah.
That was where he was like, okay, whatever.
He's
He
in